Hello. Today I'm going to show you what to do after the installation is done. Oh yeah. Now we are performing the basic settings. Yeah. The first thing we have to perform, of course, is we are going to switch on the device. No. The first thing is, of course, we take care of the blade height adjustment. That means if you start with your mower, you should not be in the lowest position. It should be in the highest position, because we have, of course, installed the wires on the ground, and if you go too deep with the mower over that, it can be damaged. But after this step is done, so we switch to the upper areas and continue week for week. We go a little bit down, okay? After this, we are going to put the product in the charging station. The mower has to go to the station and can let rest there, because now it's a reloading net system. If the battery is very low, the product needs to charge before we can switch on the product, of course. Now we can open the hood, and then we see there is an on-off button. This on-off button we push for approximately 3 seconds. After this, we can use the arrow buttons, right, left, up and down, and to choose something, we choose OK in the center. So we select the language, the country, the date, the time, and after that we set the PIN code. It is not possible to use the 0000 AS and PIN code, of course. Yeah, take another one, please. After this process is done, we can push the start button and close the hatch to initiate the guide calibration. If the battery is too low, the product needs to charge the battery fully before the guide calibration starts, of course. And the guide calibration process is automatic and sets as a wide guide corridor as possible to decrease the tracks on the lawn. The product always moves in the guide corridor, but it changed the distance to the guide wire. The guide calibration starts when the product is at the starting point. The product moves away from the guide wire perpendicularly at the left side for a maximum distance of 1.3 meter, 4.4 feet, or until it hits the boundary wire or an obstacle. The left side means we left when we looked straight forward at the charging station. This distance is set as the maximum corridor wide, and the guide calibrates is completed. The product moves along the guide wire to do a task that it can follow the guide wire. The product follows the guide wire to the point where the guide wire connects to the boundary wire. The product will start to cut when it is at the boundary wire. So that's the first thing. And then the product will come back and it will start with the standard process. Each day it will then start with a mowing job and makes the job really good. That's easy peasy. And then we are going to have a good robotic lawnmower system. That's how to do the basic settings on our Gardena SILENO City or SILENO Life robotic lawnmower. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. That's it.